Good morning, students. My name is Sunita Upadhyay. Today I am going to teach you tenses. There are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Each of them has four different kinds. The first tense is present indefinite tense. It has the action in present time at its beginning stage. In this tense, we use first verb. Identify this tense. In the last of sentence, ta hai, ti hai, te hai. Rules. Affirmative. Subject plus helping verb plus s या es plus object. In negative, subject plus do not, does not plus helping verb plus object. Interrogative, do, does plus subject plus helping verb plus objects. Why plus do, does plus subject plus helping verb plus object. Examples. Affirmative, Sita reads her book. Negative में Ram does not go to his village. Interrogative, do the birds fly in the air? Why do you not take exercise? The next is present continuous tense. It shows that the action is in the continuation or is going on at present. In present continuous tense, we use is, am, are. Identify in the last of sentences comes रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. Rules. Affirmative, subject plus is, am, are plus be first plus ing plus object. In negative, subject plus is, am, are plus not be first plus ing plus object. Interrogative, is, am, are plus subject plus be first plus ing plus object plus interrogative marks. How plus is, are, am plus subject plus be first plus ing plus object. Examples. Affirmative, Geeta is singing a song. Negative, I am not writing a story. Interrogative, are you playing football? How is she walking? The next is present perfect tense. It shows that the action is done or finished. At present, it shows now. Identify in the last of sentence कम, चुका है, चुके हैं, चुकी है, लिया है, दिया है. Rules. Affirmative, subject plus has, have plus be third plus object. Negative, subject plus has, have plus not plus be third plus object. Interrogative, has, have plus subject plus be third plus object plus interrogative marks. Who plus has, have plus subject plus be third plus object plus interrogative marks. Examples. Affirmative, I have stood first in the class. Negative, she has not combed her hair. Interrogative, have you ever seen a lion? How have we achieved our goal? Use of has, have. रखता है, रखते हैं, रखती हूँ, के पास है. I have many books. Sita's home is near Geeta's home. The next tense is present perfect continuous tense. In this tense, the action has been in continuation a certain time. This is given in the sentences. Identify time, since, certain, for, uncertain. Rules. Affirmative, subject plus has been, have been, be first plus ing plus object plus time. Since or for. Negative, subject plus has not been, have not been, be first plus ing plus object plus time. Interrogative, has plus subject plus been plus be first plus ing plus object plus since or for. How plus have plus subject plus been plus be first plus ing plus object plus time. Examples. Affirmative, I have been waiting for you since morning. Negative, he has not been reading for 2 hours. Interrogative, has she been reading since 5 o'clock? Where have the children been playing since 10 o'clock? Who has been knocking at the door for 10 minutes? Next tense is past indefinite tense. In this tense, action in past tense is shown. Identify in the last of sentence कम, खाया, पिया, गया, पढ़ा. Rules. Affirmative, subject plus be second plus object. Negative, subject plus did not plus be first plus object. Interrogative, did plus subject plus be first plus object plus question mark. Examples, Gaya went to Gaya. Negative, he did not go to school yesterday. Interrogative, did she not take part in games? When plus did plus subject plus be first plus object. When did you arrive here? Next tense is past continuous tense. This tense indicates the continuing of an action in the past time. Identify in the last of sentence come गा रहा था, जा रहा था, पढ़ रही थी, खा रही थी. Rules. Affirmative, subject plus was were plus be first plus ing plus object. Negative, subject plus was were plus not plus be first plus ing plus object. Interrogative, was were plus subject plus be first plus ing plus object plus question mark. Whom was were plus subject plus be first plus ing plus object. Examples, affirmative, she was preparing tea. Negative, I was not abusing you. Interrogative, was the goldsmith making ornaments? When were you doing your homework? Next tense is past perfect tense. This tense shows the completion of an action in past time. Identify in the last of sentence कम खा चुका था, गा लिया था. Rules. Affirmative, subject plus had plus be third plus object. Negative, subject plus had plus not plus be third plus object. Interrogative, had plus subject plus be third plus object plus question mark. Why plus had plus subject plus be third plus object plus question mark. Examples, affirmative, the sun had risen. Negative, he had not eaten fruits. Interrogative, had you taken your meals? Why had you not participated in the debate? The patient had died before the doctor came. When I reached the hall, the speech had not begun. Next tense is past perfect continuous tense. This tense shows the continuation of an action for a time in past tense. Time is given in the sentence. Time since is used for certain time. For is used for uncertain time. Rules. Affirmative, subject plus had been plus be first plus ing plus object plus time. Negative, subject plus had not been plus be first plus ing plus object plus time. Interrogative, had plus subject plus been plus be first plus ing plus object plus time. Since or for. Where plus had plus subject plus been plus be first plus ing plus object plus time. Since or for. Examples, affirmative, the students had been studying since 4 o'clock. Negative, the girl had not been dancing for 10 minutes. Interrogative, had the teacher been teaching us for 2 hours? Where had you been for so many days? Why had the fan been running for an hour? Next tense is future indefinite tense. Future indefinite tense marks the occurrence of action in future time. Identify in the last of sentences कम जाऊंगा खाऊंगा पढ़ूंगा. Rules. Affirmative, subject plus will shall plus be first plus object. Negative, subject will shall plus not plus be first plus object. Interrogative, will shall plus subject plus be first plus object. Where plus will plus subject plus be first plus object plus question mark. Examples, affirmative, I shall buy a grand house. Negative, he will not take a bath in the river. Interrogative, shall we wait for you? Where will you stay in city Lucknow? Next tense is future continuous tense. This tense indicates the continuance of action in the future time. In future continuous tense, we see that the action will be going on. Identify in the last of sentences खा रही होंगी, जा रही होंगी. Rules. Affirmative. Subject plus will be, shall be plus be first plus ing plus object. Negative. Subject plus will not be plus be first plus ing plus object. Interrogative. Will plus subject plus be first plus ing plus object plus question mark. Why plus shall plus subject plus be first plus ing plus object. Examples. Affirmative. They will be playing hockey. Negative. The postman will not be delivering letters. Interrogative. Shall we be laughing? Why shall we be making fun of you? Next tense is future perfect tense. This tense tells the completion of an action in future time. Identify in the last of sentences come खा चुके होंगे, पढ़ चुके होंगे. Rules. Affirmative. Subject plus will have, shall have plus be third plus object. Negative. Subject plus will not have, shall not have plus be third plus object. Interrogative. Will plus subject plus have plus be third plus object. Who plus shall plus subject plus have plus be third plus object. Question mark. Examples. Affirmative. He will have repaired the radio. Negative. The sun will not have risen. Interrogative. Will Mumtaz have died? Who will have ended evils? Will it have become dark before the come? Will it have become dark before he comes? They will have reached the school before the bell rings. Will she have taken bath before the sun rises? The next tense is future perfect continuous tense. In this tense, we see the continuation of an action for a time in future period. Time is given in the sentences. Identify time since for certain, for uncertain. Rules. Affirmative. Subject plus will have been plus be first plus ing plus object plus time since or for. Negative. Subject plus shall not have been be first plus ing plus object plus time. Interrogative. Will plus subject plus have been plus be first plus ing plus object plus time. Will plus subject plus have been plus be first plus ing plus object plus time since or for. Examples. Affirmative. Annapurna will have been reading her book since 4 o'clock. Negative. I shall not have been drawing a picture for 2 hours. Interrogative. Will he have been dealing in sugar since 1995? Why will you have been waiting for them since long? Thank you, students. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my class. All the best.